This is a review of the Art Caesar replacement toothbrush heads for Oral-B Braun electric toothbrushes, and I wanted to demonstrate them for you today. Now, number one, they are compatible with several different models of the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrushes. They do offer a very nice precise fit, which I'm going to demonstrate here with this Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush. You can see they just simply go right in. Snaps into place there. They do offer a pretty precise cleaning. I'm going to demonstrate it here. You can see right away the bristle action. They do come in 4 different color bands. This one, of course, is the red one, but they come in yellow, green, and blue as well. So you can share them with your entire family. Every person in the family can have a different color. They are very durable, have good elasticity. You can see the bristles there. The blue ones on the end go down a little further than the middle so they can get that nice cleaning in there. And overall, this is a great replacement head for your Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush, as long as it's compatible.